Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Today on episode number 76, Chaffles for Life. Today we're making eggs over easy, and we're doing the easy Chaffle recipe out of number one on the book of the 800 recipes. So we're going to go right down the line and just keep going until we get all 800 done and modify them and make them my own way and make them her way and for Amy Delore. And I'll have the link where I got the book in the show more. So anyway, you take half a cup of chopped cheddar cheese and one egg. It's pretty much that simple. Mix everything all up together like I'm doing over here in the measuring cup, and then you get your mini dash going, and you just pour a little bit of the liquid over the top of the mini dash without overfilling it, and and then I put it on a cooling rack to get them a little stiffer because I like a nice hot Chaffle. And then what I did was I took 2 eggs and I fried them up in the frying pan towards the end of the video with a tablespoon of butter, and then I added a couple of tablespoons or a little bit more of oil. It just kind of like oozed out there, but I didn't want to quite put that much oil in, but I was okay with it. And then I added some cheese over the top of my eggs with a little bit of lemon real salt, and then I added some pepper on top of the eggs and the final product towards the end of the video. And these came out really, really great. I would encourage you, every one of you that can continue to try to lose weight like I am. I'm doing a 3 to 5 day egg fast to try to get my carbs under control and get rid of some of the unwanted carbs I've been picking up. And over here towards the middle part of the video, my little cat Oreo decided to cry and wanted to get up on the countertop, and he can't because of his weight right now, which is a good thing because he'd be up all over the countertop knocking everything over. But you'll see him coming up in the video in a little bit. And to see a cooling rack that I put these on, I'm going to start using my cooling rack from now on when I do these Chaffles. And, I'm glad that I've started using that drop cloth in the back because it cuts out some of the glare of the light there and from the kitchen countertop. I kind of wish I had an island to work with there, but, I have what I have, so I have to do the best I can do, right, guys? That's all we can do. And, anyways, that's about it. So I'm going to just, I'll come back towards the end and talk about it. But anyways, let's continue on. Oh, yeah, by the way, there's my cat Oreo. Say hi. Isn't he a beautiful cat? He's a tuxedo cat. He's very lovable and colorful, and he doesn't let me pick him up too much anymore, but he does love us, and I love him back, and I spoil the heck out of him with a piece of shrimp in the morning, give him treats and fresh water throughout the day, and lots of love in between, and that's all you can expect out of a pet. And they are very comfortable, and they keep my depression and my wife's depression under control. But yeah, that's the Chaffle that I made, and I put it on the second Chaffle. I put it on a cooling rack, and then coming up over here in the video there, we ended up it'll show the frying pan there, and I cut out over the section over here, and then I got it going. I had my pan up a little bit too high, so I added a little bit of more cooking oils because I didn't want to burn my eggs. I don't like burnt eggs, and I don't like them when they stick to the pan and you can't get a good egg flip. But I found the best method for me to cook eggs is any method if they want. I put them in a small little dish there because I didn't want to get any showers in my eggs. And so I find that the best method is just to let them sit for a little while longer on the medium heat there, and then they really, really start to firm up. And then if you add a little bit of cheese over the top of your egg there, they tend to stay together, especially if you like yolk like I do. Now, normally I'd be doing sausage with eggs there, but since we're doing an egg fast, we're just doing regular plain eggs. So our first meal of the day on the egg fast there was 3 eggs over easy, probably with enough cheese that I got all my protein in for these 3 eggs along with the butter. And now later on this afternoon there, we're going to make some more eggs and maybe some hard-boiled eggs, and I'll be filming all that out. And again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. And and I always start my cup off my day off with 2 or 3 cups of coffee. That's never going to change. I did buy some half and half cream and switch off from the light cream. And then what we're going to do is we're going to start doing some bulletproof coffees towards one of my videos. But I'm going to show the video at the end of my coffee, how I fix it up. But anyways, have a great day, guys, and stay safe, stay healthy. And again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have an amazing day. So there you have our final product. 2 eggs over easy, cooked to perfection on a easy Chaffle. Now I was going to put a coffee video in here, but I'll put the coffee video on later in the week because I want to show you how to make a bulletproof coffee if you're doing a true egg fast. And I was just cleaning up some of my mess there because I wanted to get a good thumbnail for the camera. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and continue to support my channel and many other YouTuber links that I have over on my show more. Don't forget to always support Jason over there for just Jason and more. He's another great YouTuber. I follow him religiously along with many others, and he has a series of Chaffle recipes that I've gotten many ideas from him. And so I'm going to continue doing these Chaffle recipes for you guys, and hope you enjoy it. And again, this is what I eat in a day. Also, when I'm doing that beef, well, we're going to do a beef and butter fast, but when I do an egg fast, so this is day 1 of what Ron eats in a day on doing an egg fast. But this is also going up as a video for the Chaffle recipe. So anyways, have a great day. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay vigilant, and have an amazing day. Again, if anybody hasn't told you this, guys, you are amazing. Have a great day, guys. Thank you for watching.